Generative Pre-trained Transformers, or GPTs, are advanced AI models that have changed how we understand and use AI. Once trained, these models can interpret and generate language. The G in GPT emphasizes their ability to generate original content. The P in GPT stands for pre-training, a shift from problem-specific models to those fine-tuned for various applications such as predicting the next word in a sentence. The T stands for transformer, an architecture that enables large-scale language models to handle extensive datasets and create levels of complexity and ability that we haven't seen before. Copilot is powered by a variant of the GPT model. These versions, known as Copilot GPTs, are customized to assist you in specific tasks. Let's take a look at how this technology can assist you. Copilot can assist with a wide range of topics. For example, with design-related topics like creating an image. It can even help you plan your next vacation. It can provide destination ideas, flight prices, and more. Need some help in the kitchen? Copilot can help you with cooking-related tasks, such as generating dinner ideas or finding recipes. Maybe you want to try a new workout but don't know where to start. Copilot can assist with fitness-related tasks, such as generating personalized workout plans or providing fitness tips. Now let's look at an example. At the top, you'll find sample prompts for guidance. You can enter your own prompt like ingredients and instructions to make vegetarian bibimbap. Copilot will then provide a list of ingredients and cooking steps. For better readability, you can request the ingredients to be formatted into a table. Let's try. Put this information into a table. Once the table is created, you have options to edit it in Excel, copy or share it. GPT technology makes your experience with Copilot a more personal one.